In Chad, many remote villages have long struggled with inadequate electricity supply, limiting community development and quality of life. To ensure stable electricity for schools, clinics, and households, and to improve the lives of its people, the Chadian government chose Tanfon's energy storage system. The system is composed of 4,560 pieces of 550 W solar panels, 4 units of 630 kWh solar inverters, 4 20 FT containers of lithium batteries, 2,500 kWh Perkins generators, and 2 step-up transformers, providing reliable round-the-clock power supply. Our equipment undergoes rigorous testing at Tanfon's factory before being securely packed and shipped in containers to Chad. The streamlined and efficient transportation and installation process ensures seamless integration from production to deployment. We are committed to delivering safe, durable, and cost-effective energy systems through innovative solar solutions for the communities of Chad. This is not only our promise to global sustainability, but also our responsibility to every customer. Tanfon Solar, empowering communities with innovative energy solutions, transforming lives, and building a sustainable future together.